You're gonna take a watercolor paper. I'm using Teams, but you could also use the first time. Just do it on a paper that you can erase to be comfortable with. We can do for our profile, we can do something very simple or very complicated. We can do eyes and we can do closed eyes, but I want you to trace all the way to the neck and leave it there. So this is what we've got. We don't have profile, so we need to come out from the forehead and give that. See, this is where the ponytail ends. We're gonna give it a rubber band or a thing to hold it, and that is going to help you come out and connect that ponytail. And then we're going to make it abundant and finish that ponytail. Now we have room to connect that neck. So we're coming down here and some shoulders. So come down here, and this is how you go down to a paper doll. We're not doing much. This is where it would come down. And now this part here where the neck, where the nose finishes, is where you're going to come out and make an eyebrow. So it's just, just a curve. Don't fret. This is where the nose peak comes. So make another curve, and that is going to help give you a nostril. You can, like Dina says, you can do a watermelon seed here, and that is giving you a finished nose. Now for the lips, I'm almost, I know where they are, so I can give her a wider lip, closer lip, pretty much something like that, like a heart, inverted heart. See, like come here, and finish on this side. And now the eye is trickier, so if you want for your first one, you can do a comma and give her closed eyes, and that is going to give you some peace of mind. I'm sure about that. And from behind, I thought that this is the part where I love the most, making fashion for them. So we're going to make a dress. And if this summer is coming, so maybe she's gonna be hiding her arms, so you don't have to draw them. Would probably be easier. Foam on the water, and we're gonna have fun with the colors. Since summer is coming, we're gonna be using turquoise,